So, guys, I'm Instructor JOAKIM, currently teaching at Sacred Africa Learning School. So today, I'm going to introduce you to the model handbook, about the features and also the rules of the model handbook. Number one, you need to know about this board. It's about the rules of the model handbook. You know that the year 3, the use of the longest, the most correct routes without doing parking, the use of the shortest and most correct route without doing parking, and also the use of the parking as the last option. So, about the features. Feature number one, we have these roads here. This road and this road, we call them the one way. This one we call them the one way because the vehicles are moving the same side. So all these vehicles are traveling toward the same side. Now the one way, we have these white continuous lines, and also these white broken lines. These white continuous lines, they mean that you cannot overtake, but also these broken lines, they mean that you can shift from one lane to the another. So you are able to shift from one lane to another. Now the one way, we are divided into two. We have the one-way major road. One-way major road has 4 lanes. For example, this one is a one-way major road because it has 4 lanes. This board, we count the lanes from on our left side. So whenever I start at this point, this one becomes my lane 1. So we count the lanes from the left side. So this one is a one-way major road. Also, the other one-way is this one. One-way minor road which has 3 lanes. It has the 3 lanes. These 3 lanes are moving towards this end, and these vehicles are traveling towards this end. The second feature is about this road here. This road here, we call it the two-way traffic. The two-way traffic, the vehicles are moving in the opposite direction. The vehicles are moving in the opposite direction. So this is what we're calling the two-way traffic. The two-way traffic, we don't have the white continuous, but we have yellow continuous and these yellow broken lines. These yellow broken lines, it means that you can overtake. And remember that in Kenya we overtake from the right. In Kenya we overtake from the right. So these ones means you can overtake, while these continuous means that you cannot overtake. The other thing we have is this pedestrian crossing. This is what we're calling pedestrian crossing. The other thing we have on this board are these things. These green parts, these we are calling them the green fields under the government land. The other thing are these. The purpose of the government land is for parking of the vehicles with abnormal weight and also for the future expansion of the road. The other thing we have are these things, yellow curbs. Yellow curbs are the corners of the road, which they mean that no stopping, no waiting, no parking. Also, we have this something here being yellow. This one we call it the double yellow line. The other thing we have is this, the roundabout. Roundabout, we have the parts of the roundabout. Number one, we have this space and this space. These 3 spaces, we call them the spaces. These we call them the spaces. This part is called the innermost lane, stop the roundabout. This part up here is called the traffic island. These things, these are called the pavements. The central reserves of the road. Pavements are the central reserves of the road. The other thing we have is this parking. This parking, we call it the parking. This we call it the member controlled handle parking. The other thing we have here is this thing. Here we call it the flash parking, the uncontrolled, the parking. We have the rules. The rules of this angle parking. Number one, we park by forward gear. So whenever I'm traveling from this point, I park by forward gear. Whenever I decide to exit, I exit by reverse gear. Also, this parking here is strictly for salon cars. Remember that whenever you get to this point, you cannot park at this point. You park from the farmost, and it's a must to park from the farmost end. Whenever I get through this entrance, park from the farmost end. The other thing we have is this flash parking. Remember also we park from the farmost end. So whenever I get to this end, I park from the farmost end, then I park by reverse. Here I park by reverse here. This type of parking, you can park all types of vehicles except the vehicles with abnormal weight. Also, we have some signs on this board. This one here we call it a stop sign. Stop sign, this one is a stop sign. Also, this is a stop sign. This also is a stop sign. The other thing is the giveaway sign. This is a 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 giveaway sign. That's all these ones are calling the model town board.